Hi guys, welcome to mydieselrepair.com. The next set of videos we're going to be going over is about the 6.0 International. We got a 2006, and basically we're going to be talking about what went wrong. We got multiple videos posted up. We had to leave it as is. We couldn't compact all the videos together. For some reason we can't get our editing to work right now, so you guys kind of just bear with us a little bit. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and just enjoy. Thank you.